Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a post QR code, your Instagram post QR code from your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a post QR code on Instagram from your computer? Just click on the post first. Then you just need to click on the three dots option on the top. Click this. So this is actually a more option. Here you just need to click on the share to option. Click this. And now you will see an option called to share on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and whatever that. Here you will have option called QR code. Click this. So after clicking on the QR code, this is the post shared on January 28, 24 and also by the page name, and also there will be colors here. You can just choose the theme color for this QR code, black, blue and purple, green and black, and also this color. So after choosing the color, people can scan this QR code with their smartphones and camera to see the post. So if you are making advertisement or if you are making something about your product, you can just make as a QR code and you can just attach with the product. It's so useful, and you can just click on the download QR code, which will be downloaded as an image, and you can just use this and click on done option. This is how you just share as QR code any post on Instagram from your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.